Please. Uh-huh. So, what is this?
This is our two-bedroom Sunset Beach pool villa. It's 600 square meters, so it's a humongous villa actually.
So, big one.
Big one. It's a very big one.
Mm-hmm. No, so, good one. So, beds looking for not sea?
No.
Why?
So you have the living space for observing the outside area actually. You can open the whole windows 180 degrees so you can enjoy the fresh air that comes from the sunset side of the island. Both of the bedrooms has its own bathroom area as well. We can put two beds together and make it a king bed too, if for example two couples are traveling. And that's the bathroom. Yeah.
But two bedroom costs around like one bedroom or not?
A little bit higher than two one bedroom.
Little bit twice?
No, like about 20%.
Mm-hmm. So, for example, for summertime publish rate, how much? Approximately?
Currently online is roughly about $5,000.
4,000 plus plus.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
So the amenity brand is a brand called Hackles. It's from UK actually, and it's all natural product, and the main ingredient that it uses is seaweed.
Ah, seaweed?
Mm-mm. And the same product is used in the spa as well. And there's a slight kitchen area as well.
A lot of cup.
Yes, yes. 6 people can accommodate in this room, so for everybody. And behind is the refrigerator. It's a whole functional kitchen, actually. Yeah. With additional more amenities will be placed in the villa for this category.
Mm-hmm.
Would you like to see outside?
Mm-hmm.
We have a privacy screen that comes from the ceiling that